Hello, my dear students. So once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our students from Manipur. So Ramtharmawi is one of our students. She was a regular student in the live online program. She has done her B.SC in Environmental Sciences from DM College of Science, Manipur, and Masters in Environmental Sciences from Manipur University. And then she was preparing for GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and NET-JRF Environmental Science. And she got through GATE Environmental Science and Engineering in the very first attempt in 2023. Now she is pursuing her PhD from Manipur only, from Manipur University. And she is exploring more interviews and opportunities in the field of environmental sciences. On this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Ramtharmawi for such a remarkable feat. At present, A.S.S Science Foundation is offering multiple courses in the domain, namely NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, December 2023 in offline mode at our Delhi center and in live online mode across India. Then we also have a correspondence with video program, those who are working and could not devote time in the weekdays. We also do have only correspondence program and test series along with the interview preparation exclusively. Institute is also offering GATE for Environmental Science and Engineering for 2024, GATE Ecology Evolution 2024, along with all the other PhD and the job-oriented exams such as pollution boards, power grid, and all other places. We are also offering exclusive program for masters in life sciences and environmental sciences and all other allied domain of life sciences for undergraduates. Institute is also offering the research proposal preparation and interview for the people who are planning to do their masters or PhD from USA or the European countries. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible on the given numbers or through our webpage. Once again, we would like to congratulate Ramtharmawi for the remarkable feat. Thank you.